Okay, so let's look at this section. We're looking at a closer look in testing. So suppose 100 tests are conducted to determine whether taking vitamin E increases one's chance of having a heart attack. Suppose also the vitamin E has absolutely no effect on one's likelihood of having a heart attack. The tests will use a 5% significance level. So I'm asking how many of the tests are likely to show significance just by random chance? Well, remember that's given by the significance level. So 5% of the 100, so about 5 of the tests will show significance just by random chance. So if only the significant tests are reported, what is the only information the public is likely to hear? Well, we're testing to see if vitamin E increases the chance of having a heart attack. So if it's significant, it means that it does increase your chance of having a heart attack. So if we only look at those 5 significant tests, the public is likely to hear that vitamin E increases one's chance of having a heart attack. Now, as to the null and alternative hypotheses, well, basically, our null would be that there's no difference between taking vitamin E and not taking vitamin E. And the alternative would be that the probability of those who take vitamin E is greater than the probability of those who don't. So the null, that the probability of those who take vitamin E is equal to the probability of those who do not take vitamin E. Now, since we're looking at an increase, the alternative would be the probability of those who take vitamin E is greater than the probability of those who do not take vitamin E. Now, a type 1 error, remember a type 1 error is rejecting a true null hypothesis. So we reject the fact that there is no difference in chances of a heart attack. A type 2 error, well, a type 2 error is we fail to reject a false null hypothesis. So this would be saying that we fail to reject that there is no difference when vitamin E does increase the chance of having a heart attack. And as to which is more serious, in my mind, in this case, the type 2 would be more serious, because if we say there is no difference and there actually is, then people might be taking it and therefore increasing their chances of having a heart attack.